with Jehovah's Witnesses. Do you have a minute?
I'll be honest, mate. I'm just having a wank at the minute.
Good lad. Bye-bye then.
Right, bye, mate.
Hello?
Hi, my name's Laura. I'm one of Jehovah's Witnesses.
We're just having bum sex a minute. Oh my god.
Okay. I couldn't hear all of that, but it's no problem. We'll leave and we'll see you again next time.
Hey, can I help you? What are you doing? What can I do for you? Joe, get the fuck out of here. What are you doing? Are you trying to get in? You want me to call the police on you?
We're just two Jehovah's Witnesses, and we're asking a question to all our neighbours. Is God to blame for human suffering? What do you think about that question?
I'm in bed, mate. Fuck off.